Welcome to the Introduction to Web Trader tutorial. To log into Web Trader, use the credentials that you would have received from Infront or your broker. You will find the main menu in the upper left corner where you can find predefined pages such as global and country overviews, tools with watch lists and news available, and under My Desktops, your own customized lists and workspaces. Next to the main menu, you will find the search field. This function works exactly like a Google search, where you can search for a single instrument, tool, specific indicators such as indices, lists, and more. It is possible to keep track of up to 6 instruments or indicators easily by adding them to the upper bar. And to do this, simply click on the cog. Add or delete instruments in the space provided. Small symbols help you understand important information about these chosen instruments at a glance. The flag represents which country each instrument is based. A single green arrow pointing upwards represents a light increase, less than 1%, in the price of the instrument, and likewise, a single arrow pointing down represents a light decrease in the price. However, a single solid arrow represents an increase or decrease greater than 1%, and a double arrow pointing up or down represents a movement more than 2%. The clock in the top right provides you a history of your most recent searches along with a time scale. The alert symbol allows you to review the alerts that you have already added to your chosen instruments, add or delete alerts, and of course use the parameters that are relevant to you, along with any comments to help streamline your workflow. The settings menu gives you access to your profile, to support, to find out what's new, and of course, the settings themselves. Here you can decide settings including language, themes such as a light or dark background, and to turn on sound or trading notifications. My profile will allow you to add additional packages and subscriptions, such as access to additional exchanges, access to news, and more. The Mail to Support button will give you a direct line to your linked broker. On the far right, the Global menu gives you a quick overview of the global markets, such as major indices, commodities, and Forex. The Watch List tab gives you access to your customized lists, where you can quickly switch between different lists through the drop-down tab. Should you have any further questions, reach out to your broker and be sure to watch the additional tutorials to help you discover, analyze, and trade.